Rice is one of the most popular skin care ingredient in many Asian countries. It is a rich source of many nutrients like vitamin B and ferulic acid, and it helps in making the texture of the skin better. It is a magical ingredient that you can add in natural or homemade face packs to tackle different kinds of skin walls. Today in this video, I will share rice face packs for different skin types that will improve your skin complexion, and you can see visible results after just one use. Let's start with rice's face pack for dry skin. Take 2 tablespoons of rice flour in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of gram flour to the bowl and mix well. Now add 3 teaspoons of honey. In this further add rose water to make the paste smooth, and your DIY is ready. Apply the mixture to your face and neck. Keep it on your face for 15 to 20 minutes, and after that rinse it off with lukewarm water. For best results, you can use these masks once or twice in a week. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel for more videos.